Hey nail lovers, let's dive right into today's pink and white set, super glam and super curly. We're starting off by buffing our natural nails to gently remove the shine and create a smooth surface. Then we're going to give it a good scrub with isopropyl alcohol so that it is nice and oil-free. Up next, let's use a peel-off base coat. I'm using Jello Jello. Let's do a thin layer and cure for 60 seconds under the LED lamp. Now let's jump into the tip application. We're adding a small bead of nail glue to the well of the tip and pressing it down at about a 45-degree angle so the glue spreads smoothly from cuticle to free edge. Make sure your tip fits perfectly sidewall to sidewall with no air bubbles hiding underneath. Once the tips are all on, I like to seal the underside with a clear top coat. It keeps the nails clean and crystal clear underneath. Time to buff the gel tip surface and get into our overlay method. This step builds strength and forms that gorgeous apex. Start with a thin slip layer that's just a super thin coat of gel over the entire nail. Without curing, grab a larger bead of gel and float it over the surface, moving side to side while gently pulling the product towards the tip. This is definitely going to take some practice and a few tries, but you'll definitely get it. I do like to use a smaller detail brush to pull down the gel near the cuticle and the side walls. I think mine is 7mm. That precision keeps it from flooding. And then once the nails are built, you do want to cure for a full 60 seconds to 2 minutes depending on your gel brand, but that's for the whole hand. Prior to that, I do flash cure each nail once it's done, just so the product doesn't move while I finish the rest of my hand. Keeping a detail brush close so that you can fill those sides. If there's a tacky inhibition layer, you can go ahead and cleanse it with alcohol, otherwise you're ready for color. Today I'm using a jelly syrup polish, a soft sheer pink from Born Pretty's collection. It's delicate, feminine, and so dreamy. On my pointer finger, I'm creating a crocodile design using Bloomy Gel. Without curing, I'm dipping my dotting tool into white gel paint and dotting down the nail to form that chic reptile pattern. Once you're happy with it, flash cure to set it in place. Next, we're doing a classic Frenchie on the middle finger. Just glide your brush left to right to form your smile line and then fill it in with a solid white for that crisp, timeless look. For the ring finger, I'm blending a white ombre, keep it soft and airy, and for the pinky, let's have some fun with a 3D shell design for texture and depth. Finally, I'm adding a few charms and rhinestones to tie everything together. It's a little sparkle, a little bow, and a whole lot of girly glam. So here's the final look, sparkly chic and super feminine. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come hang out with me in the next video.